Hi, my name's Dave Bova. I'm here at Makeup First with Jamie, and we're going to do a little pinup hair today. Now this is a pinup model from the era. It's a drawing. We're going to analyze in order to make Jamie look like a pinup model. Today I'm going to use hot rollers. From the front to the back, let them cool, and remove them back to the front. Go through and mist, and pick through the hair. Now, another note, do not directly brush or comb through the hair while the hairspray is still wet. If you do, you'll get clumping. Hair is a fiber. You put a crease into the hair, it will have a crease. The way you lay it down is the way it's going to stay. We're going to take a hot roller and make sure it's nice and heated up. And one of the things to be very, very, very clear on is that your ends always stay in your roller. Be sure that you're holding it tight enough that all the hair gets in there in a uniformed way. So one of the things I recommend is getting these fancy, fancy little clips. Roll it in, tuck. So it's very important to wait for the curlers to cool completely off. Once they're cool, they're set. We have two very distinct, different kinds of rolls happening here. When you have a ringlet, if you take a ringlet and pull it out straight, relax it, this is what's going to give you your wave. If we look at both waves here, you can see there's a little height on this one, and this one's wavy right from the root, and this one has length and then wave. Now with that, I'm going to style it all up and we'll discuss it when it's all put together. Great. Okay, so we're back, and now we've done a complete roll set. We're going to orient these in specific ways as we discussed earlier, and that will give us the look we want. The hair has to have some kind of movement, and I don't mean a literal movement, I mean an artistic movement, where we start here, it's going to move around and pull around. So this will wave in, these are pulled back off base, and then all the rollers in the back are coming down and at a diagonal. On this side, we have a roller that's coming straight back. This one is coming straight over. These two will meet and create a mound of hair. This will kind of do that teased look without being overly teased. Then you'll notice all the rollers on this side are coming straight down to the side, and they start to curve back. And in the back, all of them are going straight down. So that what we have happening is this kind of movement. When you style, you're going to style back to front. So now you're either going to drop it like a ringlet, or you can take out the clip. If you're looking for a wavy look, slide your fingers into the root of the hair and gently let it unravel. What you'll notice will happen is you'll get this separated wave. This is really good for what we'll be doing because we want to maintain the cleanest, crispest look to be able to manipulate it. Now, say for example, you mean to do a ringlet and you get all messed up and caught up in the roller. Take your finger, put it at the root of the hair where the roller was, wrap around your finger. Grab your end and gently unravel it, and it goes back to being a ringlet. So what you'll notice is as I take this one out, it falls into place. And this is with the clip. Now, I've unrolled all of this, and what you can notice with this is a roll pattern design is really what sets the design together. The styling is step 2. We're getting this beautiful wave look with all of her hair. I'm pulling out with the pick, and you'll see all the pretty dimension that's happening. Make it as simple as possible. When you overcomplicate design, it's going to look messy. And we're going to take this section here with our fingers and pin it up. Pull some of this stuff out with my pick. So I'll grab our hairspray, and again, misting. Cover your model's face. So now what we want to do is keep everything organized and sleek together so we can use our comb the section together, take the hair, we're going to do a twist and push it up. Now if we want to get width, the more we push up, the more width we get. You have to design not only for the period look, but also for the person's face. So we're going to smooth out the section and twist it and put it up. Take your bobby pin. Really, don't put your mouth on a bobby pin. Also pin the wrong way to right way. You're going to take it, put it in the wrong way, turn, and push it in the right way. We're picking all these pieces together, and this is going to be that outside silhouette. So we're going to pick out the hair here, smooth some of this over, so we can take our hairspray, spritz it very gently, smooth it out, pull all this out, let some of them stay as ringlets because it's interesting. We're going to work our way around the head, comb it all together, and smooth the section out, and this will give you one large wave. If you put several waves together, it creates one large wave. We're going to use this with lift, and we can spray the hair to have lift. From all the heat that we've used, the hair has gotten a little dry and dull. There's another product I like. It's specifically Tresemme Smoothing No Frizz. A little bit of this goes a long way, so don't overspray. We can just take this and go and gently scrunch, and look at all the vitality that comes. It really does liven up the hair. Unfortunately, because it is an oil, if you spray too much, it'll weigh the hair down and make it look dirty and greasy. And that isn't the point of the product. It's to make the shine come out. The pièce de résistance is any of our edges, any of the detail work. This can be ironed out with a curling iron. Be sure not to burn your model. Smooth all this work out. And our artsy fartsy last thing, we're gonna go all out and use a real rose, but you can get the silk roses and pin them into the hair. And there we are, we've pinned in a rose and we've completed the look. And that is the way to create a basic pinup model. I'm Dave Bova, this is Jamie, we're here at Makeup First, and we hope to see you soon.